Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable system protection in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to go to your search bar and search for Restore Point. Here you can see create a restore point. You have to click on it. Now select your C drive. Now go to configuration. You have to just turn on system protection. You can move your slider depending on your needs. Then click on apply and OK. Now click on OK. So this is how you can enable system protection in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.